Episode 3. What if I move? Welcome back, my proudly registered voter. I'm Richard Bell. Once you are a registered voter at a particular address, you may not be forever finished with the voter registration process. What? Come on, Richard. The database you sent me to said I was registered, so what's the problem? Calm down, or as my friend in Italy says, calma. There may or may not be a problem, but I need to alert you to all potential problems because I want you to vote in every election, not just the next election. Now, in some states, when you move within the state and update your license, your new address is sent from the motor vehicle office to the elections board, and you are automatically re-registered at the new address. But that is only in some states. If you move within your state, the safest way to make sure your voter registration is updated is to contact the county election board in the county where you move to immediately after the move. Go online or call or go in person if you prefer, but make sure the county of your new address knows your new address as soon as you move. Vote.org, it can link you to your proper county board of elections. Now, I have been an election observer in many states where voters were turned away from the polls for being in the wrong polling place after they moved. Depending on the rules of the state or county, don't be that person. Since state and county rules vary, just do the safe thing as soon as you move. Immediately change your registration address to reflect your new address. That's whether you move within the state or even within your town or your county. If you move out of state, go to vote.org as soon as you move to get to the new state's proper voter registration election board to register in the new state. Remember, this is very important. Remember, registration in one state does not count as registration in another state. You have to re-register in the new state. Every move, whether it's down the block, across the county, at the other end of the state, or to a new state that's 10 miles away or 2,000 miles away, it requires a new voter registration. Moving becomes a very common voting problem if you do not register within the state or register for the first time in your new state. All movers, check those registration rules even before you move so you know what to do immediately. Vote.org, registration information section. Got it? Don't be that person in line or in court that I'm trying to help restore your right to vote on election day because you moved and didn't do the necessary registration changes. I never want you to be turned away from the polls because you moved and forgot to follow the registration rules for your new address. Episode 4 coming up. Absentee or in-person voting? Which is better? See you soon.